Welcome to the instructions video for the Angle of Incidence Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate the angle at which waves, whether light, sound, or electromagnetic, strike a surface. It's essential for optics, solar panel design, and RF engineering applications. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter the direction of the incoming wave and the orientation of the surface. Start by inputting the incident ray angle, which represents the direction your wave is traveling. Next, enter the surface normal angle, or the surface tilt angle, depending on how your surface is oriented. For example, if you're working with a solar panel tilted at 30 degrees and sunlight coming in at 45 degrees from horizontal, enter these values in the corresponding fields. The calculator will then compute the angle of incidence measured from the normal to the surface. This result tells you how directly the wave hits the surface, which affects reflection and absorption efficiency. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.